Now here's the enigma when it comes to a less risky marriage. Choose your spouse wisely, because believe it or not, the biggest predictor of infidelity in marriage could be genetic. Research has been done on infidelities. What we have is the dopamine receptor DRD4, which is crucial for dopamine control in the brain reward systems. However, 50% of people with DRD4, carriers of the 7 variants, reported infidelity in their marriages. Research on twins shows that 41% behavior of infidelity are inherited from parents who once cheated on a spouse. Proverb 10 verse 9 says that he who pervert his ways shall be known, and definitely through his children. Infidelity, promiscuous, rebellion, risk-taking relationships are inherited at least 50%. Now here's the paradox. The 7 variant genes that lead people to infidelity will also lead them to stand in contrast one day with the 7th commandment judgment: thou shalt not commit adultery. That's definitely a precursor that's indelible. Be careful.